Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to the third chapter of Unix and Shell Programming. Today we will start the ordinary file handling in Unix. So let's start. Displaying and creating creating files. Cat. So that means the cat command, using the cat command is used to display and create text files. To create a file, we can write like the cat then greater than the file name. Whatever the name you want to have your file, to display file contents we have to write the cat file name. So this is how you should use the cat command. Then we have copying a file or cp. How can you copy a file? Copies files or directories. cp source.txt destination.txt. So if you want to copy a file and paste it inside another file, you have to write the command cp then this file from where you want to copy the contents, and then the destination.txt means the file where you want to paste the copied content. Then we have to copy a directory, we can write like this cp then minus r, then we the source file directory and the directory minus dire. Then deleting a file, rm. Using rm you can remove a file or delete a file. It removes the files permanently. So remember, if you want to delete a file and using the rm command, the files would be removed permanently. So be careful and before using the rm command, and it can be undone anymore. So rm file name. To delete a directory and its contents, you can write like this: rm minus r directory name. Renaming or moving a file, mp. Renaming or moving a file. So renames or moves a file, mv old name.txt new name.txt. Now this way you can move a file, if you want to rename a file like the old name, this is the old name, or you have to write the mp, then you have to write the old name, then the new name you want to keep, you want to name the file, the new name should be here. So like this you can rename a file. Then we have move a file to another directory. So mp file, using mp file can be used two ways. One is for renaming, just as I said just now, and another one is moving a file. So if you want to move, you have to use this mp, file.txt destination. So like this. So the file name, which file you want to move, and after mp the file and where you want to move the destination here. Then we have the paying output, paging output or more. Using the more command, you displays the file contain pages by pages. File contain pages by pages. Pages by page, more than file name. Then we have the printing a file or LP. Sends a file to the printer. LP file name sends the file to the printer. The file sends the file to the printer. Then knowing the file type, if you want to know the file type, then you have to write the file, then identifies the type of a file and the file name of what you want to know the file. Okay. Then counting lines, words and characters, WC, displays the numbers of lines, words and characters in a file. So like WC, the file name, it displays a number of lines, words and characters into a file. Then WC file. Then count is only in WC minus L file name, comparing two file bytes by byte, compare two files byte by byte with this command cmp, then file 1 and file 2, finding common lines between the two files. Then comm, it displays the common lines between that presented both between the sorted files, the both of the files have to be sorted, and then in order to the common lines, in order to display the common lines, you have to write like this: the com and file 1 file 2. This is the syntax. Then displaying file differences, the diff command will show the differences between two text files line by line. and the syntax is diff file1 file2. Then we have creating an archived file, and it creates a compressed archive, and tor minus cvf archive tar file1 file2 extract file from. So the syntax is tar minus xpf x xrf extract archive. The archive file or zip file will be there. Then we have compressing a file, gzip. If you want to compress a file, it reduces the file size, and you have to write like this. The syntax is gzip and the file name. Uncompressing a file, if you want to uncompress a file, then gmzip. It restores a grep command. Grep minus is a grep command file, the gunzip file name. Then archiving a file, zip creates a zip archive zip file1 file2. Then extracting a compressed file, unzip. Like extract zip file, unzip archive.zip, effect of cp on directory, cp copying a directory. Then requires -r to copy directories. Example, cp -r source directory, destination directory. Then rm removing a directory. We have also the, if you want to remove directory, as I said before, rm, it uses r to remove directory, and it contains explain. For example, rm -r directory name, the directory name you want to remove. Then mp means moving or renaming the directory. As I said, all of this we have covered before, but again, let's revise this. Moves or renames the directory. Examples: mp, old directory, new directory. This is for the renaming. And if you want to move a file from somewhere to a particular location, the syntax would be mp, the directory name, and the new locations. So that's all for today. So see you in the next video, and until then, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button and thumbs up. So bye.